Welcome to our informative English vocabulary lesson. In this video, we delve into the essential kitchen equipment names in English, from knives to blenders. Let's get started. Knife is used for cutting and chopping. Cutting board provides a surface for food preparation. Saucepan, ideal for heating sauces or boiling water. Frying pan is used for frying or sautéing food. Mixing bowl for combining ingredients. Measuring cups and spoons, essential for accurate ingredient measurement. Whisk, used for mixing and whipping. Spatula, helps in flipping food items. Oven, used for baking and roasting. Microwave, for quick heating and cooking. Blender, ideal for making smoothies or purees. Toaster, used for toasting bread slices. Coffee maker, for brewing coffee. Mixer, used for blending and mixing ingredients. Colander, helps in draining liquids from food. Grater, used for grating cheese or vegetables. Peeler, for peeling fruits and vegetables. Tongs, helps in picking up and turning food. Rolling pin, used for rolling out dough. Garlic press, a tool for crushing garlic cloves. That concludes our lesson on essential kitchen equipment names in English. Practice using these names to enhance your English skills. Join us next time for more vocabulary lessons and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our upcoming lessons.